Come on and sing it with me. Car wash. Sing it with the feeling now. Car wash, yeah. Woo! Come some of the work gets kind of hard. And this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Whoa, 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 whoa. Talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me. Car wash. Woo, woo, woo. Car wash, yeah.
It's really hard to... It's really hard to get these stickers on. But clearly, Matchbox doesn't even put them on really that well. Because if you zoom in here, that's super crooked. So maybe I shouldn't feel bad. What's going on, Matchbox fans, to my channel? This is a review of the new for 2023 Matchbox Action Drivers Super Clean Car Wash. I was able to pick up this set from Amazon.com when they had it on sale for 42% off. The MSRP is $23.99. I got it for $13.99. This is the second Matchbox Action Drivers set I was able to score for a significant discount. So this will be a review of its features and how to put it together. Here is a view of the back. It shows the different features. You can put the car through the car wash, push this button, it makes sound, this lights up. Over here, the attendant will dry off your car for you. You can add air to your tires here. There's some extra parking spaces. So for $14.99, I think it's great.
Please select from our wash menu. You have selected Deluxe Wash. Please proceed forward.
So there was a tab in there, and I took the tab out and it immediately started speaking. So that's just lovely. Very nice, red C8 Corvette. I don't have a red C8, so that's pretty cool. So this is how this works. You press this little tab here, it lights up, it makes sound. Your basic foam rollers. I really like these. This action is really cool. Okay, let's see if I can get this one together quicker than the others. We've got our instructions here. Got our legal documents. Ooh, it complies with FCC rules. Okay. And there is some stickers that will need to be applied. Not too many though. Okay, that's not going to be too bad, I don't think. Battery replacement. Okay. Start with this. That's a nice touch. Okay, so we snap this on here. Okay. This just slides in here like that. That's unfortunate. Manufacturing error.
Thank you for choosing Matchbox Super Clean Car Wash. Please pay at the Mini Mart cashier.
Okay. I guess we're going to put on the first sticker. That's close to perfect. It's not 100%, but that's good enough. Okay, and this goes
Customer number 10, your car is ready.
boom. Quick, easy, snaps together. Just the next piece. Boom. Still within the bounds. All right, it gives you a little bit of wiggle room. Okay, that's nice. It's got a little groove there. So it easily just pops right in there. All right, gotta do this grass. All right, they give you a couple millimeters. It's got the Matchbox logo here. A little bit of grass. Eleven. Another piece of grass.
All cars are hand-dried for long-lasting shine.
Now, unfortunately, I guess there's no stickers for these. They were like, oh yeah, you don't need stickers for those, that's fine. Well, that was sort of a pain. Not as easy as it appears to put them on. Kind of surprised there isn't anything on these windows here. This just snaps on. And we've got our stoplight signal here. You can connect these to Matchbox or you can connect them to Hot Wheels. I think that's pretty ingenious, but I really don't like this connector system because then you're left with this weird edge here. It really needs to have like a 3D printed piece to like finish it off or something. Definitely a cool little place set. Here's the rear. I wish this, I guess gravel or whatever this is, was painted a different color. Might be kind of nice. Unless it's supposed to be grass or shrubs or something. Here's a better look at the playset. These little rumble strips stop the car, and he's detailing the car. I don't know what that's supposed to do. I guess it's supposed to look cool. And the car comes around here, backs in, gets some air, comes over here and parks. Very nice. Very, very nice indeed. It's just a nice little diorama for the money, honestly. And I think it's going to look really nice with the police station. I assume that the playset is basically the same size and that they'll just connect right up to one another. But now I'm thinking that maybe it's not going to connect up correctly because of the way the roadway goes. This may be interesting. This makes a really good set for young boys. Definitely has a lot of moving features,
Select from our watch menu.
which is really cool. I think this would keep a child occupied for quite some time. It has some parking spaces. I think that's really nice. Okay, then you go to the mini mart. Door opens. Pay, get a soda. Park over here. So just so you know, the sound is really loud on this. There's a couple things I would change. I would create stickers for these arrows and maybe an orange sticker for this Matchbox logo. Thank you for watching my review of the new for 2023 Matchbox Action Drivers playset. If you like this video, you may also like to watch my Matchbox Action Driver Police Station review as well.